back to today's video. Today we're going to be playing Airsoft SE. We're going to be... Darn it, that was actually... Well, I can still get him. Oh yeah, my first kill. Bro, I have like 2 AK-47 users. Okay. Keep fire. No, let me just hold on. I'm gonna hide. I see him. Oh no, my location is revealed to whoever that saw that. Ooh. I do see. No, I can see someone. No. Yes. Oh, darn it. Oh, no one saw that. Yes. Ooh, yeah. That was easy. Oh. Yo. That's actually good. I got a double kill. Oh. Don't know how. And I see you, baby. Nice. I'm gonna guess there's someone camping there. Alright. Let me just climb up here and let's go. Right, fire. Nice. I got 2 kills. But yeah, someone definitely saw me. Nice, that was actually a triple kill. It was a shot kill, I think. Ooh, that was so easy. There's like 2 kills in this on the other team. But I'm also up one. Yeah, there's definitely someone behind this. And oh yeah, that was easy. And get that stupid spawn protection shield thingy. That's really just annoying. Right. Okay. Oh, get it. Easy. My sister was annoying me, I hate him with my sister. Oh yeah, I'm definitely spotted. Someone's definitely close. Yee. The AK-47 is OP. I guess that's why people always use it. It's kind of a OP weapon. Oh, I saw him. He spotted. Darn it. Only more like in 3 minutes. Fire. Kill. Oh, that's that. This is Airsoft. Oh, he tagged me. Time to tag him. He already got tagged. I know. Yeah, I definitely see him. That was sneaky. I know there has to be someone in this house. And yeah, who is about to enter? Well, at that time I entered and he managed to kill me again. How did he manage to kill me? I already had more time with him. Yeah. Time won. Easy? How? I guess my team is OP. Now grenade, I cannot trust that. Ooh. Ooh, bacon here. But I think I just see a lot of bacons. I kind of don't know, but they're probably bots. Or just new players. And I think he did not die. Sneaky. How do you see that? Yeah, there's definitely someone in it. And I guess he's camping over here. Oh, nope. It's just catnap. I guess my Wi-Fi. Problem with the Wi-Fi. And already got killed immediately. Oh, see him. Yeah, he's behind. And Papa. Oh, there's two. Oh, yes. You know, I'm gonna just camp here. Okay. I see you. And I can shoot you. I see you, Bacon. I reached level 43. Oop, I see you. But that looks like the same spot I camped at. But now, he killed me. And I got his location. So, oh, there's like campers everywhere. Come on. Bruh, you guys are pros. Okay. Someone's over there trying to camp. You didn't see me. Like, ready for me. My camp at the enemy team spawn would be the best that I could do. Yes, AFK. Gotta go. Right. Oh, darn it, I lost. Alright. Oh, darn it, my battery. That's the problem. I think I need to get my charger. Oh, I guess, well, here's the best place that I can get it. Okay, I've got my charger. Let me just plug it in. Let me just find the right one. Okay, sorry for the waste of time. I just had to get my charger. Right, charge! Immediately I saw someone. And he also has an AK-47. Ooh. Pew, 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 pew. Get him. Don't. This lobby is full of AKs. Oh, now we have that guy that always AFKs. I hate him. Oh, I see you. They camp. This kind of makes sense because it's hardpoint. But I'm gonna just go to the corner and then charge. Well, no, I'm gonna camp at the sniper tower. I guess that's a problem. I can do something. And I'm gonna just jump out of here. We'll see him. Oh yeah, I'm spotted. And then, ooh, I just got a triple tag. That's pretty easy. I see. Oh yeah, there's definitely someone there. I thought. My low graphic quality, man. See you. It's good. I see you. Ooh, I see a bacon. Bacon here, killed. Ooh. Ooh. Charge! Oh, he's definitely running. He's on a run. He's running for it. He's on a run for it. They all have spawn protection. That guy is about to have 1,000 tags. He's about to enter his pro stage. Oop, that was easy. Though I don't think real AK-47s have like this not like average mag, like probably it has 30 rounds, but I guess this is probably extended or longer mag. Oh, ooh, I see you. Don't hide. I know your location. You have revealed. Yeah, that's a train. That's a lot of. Man, I can't. Bruh. Nope. So I'm gonna just charge. My annoying sister is back. Bro just wasted his grenade. Yeah, I just died when he threw his grenade. I see you. And grenade. Bam. That grenade just absolutely did nothing. See you. Ba 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 pew 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 pew. It's kind of hard when you cannot aim accurately when airsoft and like and same. Not all bullets go. Not bullets do not go straight. You kind of have to aim a little up because these are not real guns. These are airsoft guns in Roblox. Nice, nice. Oh, I think if I think the teams are unbalanced because I never seen like my teammates. We have the bad players, and then we don't like have every player is worth at the game. But they have a lot. Okay, I think I need another gun. Mm. Yeah, no, there's no good weapon that I can buy. Mm. I see you, see you, see you, see you, see you. Just reveal your location. I see you. I'm gonna end the video here. So, like and subscribe. And hope to see you again. Bye.